It's a pretty big toothbrush, and it would take a good part of that tube of toothpaste to fill it. Well, I don't brush with that much toothpaste, but why do I bring this up? Because of a warning that's present on this toothpaste and on many others. Now, you would expect a warning to seek medical attention or to call a poison control center on a label of a pesticide or maybe a cleaning agent, but not on toothpaste. Indeed, you automatically swallow some toothpaste when you brush your teeth, and children are even more likely to do that because of the flavors that are put into toothpaste. So what is this warning all about? It has to do with sodium fluoride. That is the substance that is incorporated into toothpaste because the fluoride ion then gets incorporated into tooth enamel, and that reduces the risk of cavities. And that has been shown by numerous studies. But fluoride can also be toxic. In fact, it can be used as a rat poison. And the anti-fluoride people, of course, will not let us forget that. So the question is there enough fluoride in this toothpaste to cause a problem? Let's crunch the numbers, because science revolves around numbers. And you know, the cornerstone of toxicology is that only the dose makes the poison. Well, if you look on the label of the toothpaste, it will tell you that it has 0.243% of sodium fluoride. But sodium fluoride is not all fluoride. Only 45% of it is fluoride, so that comes out to about 0.11% of the whole toothpaste. The toothpaste tube contains 98 milliliters. The density of the toothpaste is 1.3 grams per milliliter. So we can make a calculation, and I did that in the transcript that comes along with this video, so you can see how that calculation is done. We can make the calculation of the total amount of fluoride that is present in this tube of toothpaste, and it works out to something like 140 milligrams or so. And then we have to take a look at the toxicity of fluoride. And this has been well studied, and it turns out that fluoride toxicity starts for children at about 5 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. And if you consider a small child, a 10-kilogram child, that would mean 50 milligrams of fluoride is where toxicity would begin. And so if we take a look at the content in the toothpaste of fluoride, as we just calculated, it kind of turns out that you'd have to consume about a third of a tube of toothpaste in order for a small child to have any kind of a toxic effect. I think consuming a third of a toothpaste tube would be quite a challenge. There may be some flavors added to there, but it isn't quite that delicious. So I don't think we have to worry too much about this warning on toothpaste to call a poison control center if some of it is swallowed, unless you have a kid who has dined on about a third of a tube of toothpaste. And that for today is our Cup of Joe.